Are you struggling to create a high-quality fitness, meditation, or yoga app that truly stands out? Developing a beautiful and functional user interface from scratch can be time-consuming and challenging, often delaying your launch. You need a robust and aesthetically pleasing foundation to capture your audience and make a real impact. Introducing Zestra Fitness and Meditation Yoga App UI Kit, your ultimate solution for crafting a stunning and professional health and wellness application. Zestra provides a complete design and development package, empowering you to build engaging experiences with unparalleled speed and elegance. This comprehensive UI kit includes over 100 beautifully designed screens, covering every essential feature your app might need. Explore dedicated sections for workouts, diverse meditation practices, yoga routines, sleep tracking, and detailed activity monitoring. From seamless onboarding flows and subscription management to secure payment processing and user profiles, Zestra has it all. The modern, clean, and minimal design ensures a pixel-perfect, intuitive user experience that users will love. Every element is fully customizable, allowing you to effortlessly change colors, fonts, and images to match your unique brand identity. Built with Flutter, Zestra offers robust cross-platform compatibility, ensuring your app runs flawlessly on both Android and iOS devices. Included are well-organized design files compatible with Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch, providing flexibility for your design team. Benefit from a rich library of reusable components like buttons, input fields, cards, progress bars, and charts, ensuring consistency. Zestra accelerates your development process, letting you launch a professional-grade application without the typical headaches. Give your users an immersive and motivating experience, whether they are beginners or advanced practitioners. Stop wasting precious time on repetitive design and development tasks. Choose Zestra Fitness and Meditation Yoga App UI Kit and transform your app idea into a successful reality today. Elevate your fitness and wellness app with a polished, feature-rich interface that will truly captivate your users. Ready to build your dream app? Find the link to Zestra in the description below and get started now.